Real Madrid have launched a 160 million euros or 188 million US dollars offer to sign Kylian Mbappe, which has been immediately rejected by Paris Saint-Germain. Multiple sources have told Newsy. Sources close to Real Madrid admitted to Newsy that the negotiations will be difficult, but they still hope to convince PSG to agree a deal before the transfer window ends on August 31. There was no immediate comments from either clubs. Meanwhile, other sources in France suggest to Newsy that Madrid would need to raise the offer to 200 million euros or 235 million US dollars to have a chance of completing the signing. Mbappe's contract at PSG expires next summer, and the 22-year-old has made it clear that despite repeated approaches from the club, he does not intend to renew. PSG believed that the arrival of Lionel Messi could change Mbappe's mind, but that has not transpired. Sports news channels reported last September that Madrid were laying the ground for a move for Mbappe this summer, but were trading carefully to avoid angering PSG. Madrid came up with a clear strategy and did not want to take any steps that would risk jeopardizing a possible deal or the good relationship between the two clubs. They were also waiting for Mbappe to signal that he believed it was time to move on. Mbappe has been Madrid president's long-term number one target, and the club have known for months that the forward was keen to finally make the move. Mbappe has come close to joining Madrid on several occasions in the past, going on trial at the club aged 13 in 2012, posing for a photo with then idol Cristiano Ronaldo, and almost opting to sign with Madrid from Monaco in 2018 before choosing PSG instead. After reluctantly accepting his desire to leave, the Parisian club have finally shown a willingness to negotiate, and the race is now on to agree a deal acceptable to all parties before the transfer window close on Tuesday. Any sale of Mbappe would allow PSG to recoup some of the costs of Lionel Messi's salary package after they signed the Argentina forward and six-time Ballon d'Or winner from Barcelona earlier this month. PSG ended last season with only one major trophy, the French Cup, after losing the league title by 1 point and crashing out in the Champions League semi-finals. Real, now managed by Italians, were runners-up domestically last season to city rivals Atletico. Mbappe joined PSG from AS Monaco in 2017 on loan initially and then permanently a year later in a deal valued at 180 million euros.